Investing for freedom, turning money into life choices. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are not just talking about money, we are talking about freedom. Freedom to wake up without fear of bills, freedom to choose how you spend your time, freedom to live life on your own terms. Many people believe investing is only about becoming rich, but the truth is, investing is not about money alone. Investing is about control over your life. It is about building a future where your choices are guided by dreams, not by financial pressure. Let me ask you something. How many people wake up every morning feeling excited because they want to go to work, not because they have to? How many people stay in jobs they dislike simply because they cannot afford to leave? How many dreams are delayed? How many talents are hidden? How many families miss time together, all because financial freedom feels out of reach? This is why investing matters. Understanding the true meaning of investing. Investing is not gambling. Investing is not luck. Investing is not only for wealthy people. Investing is simply the act of making your money work for you. Most people trade time for money. They work hard, earn income, spend it, and repeat the cycle again and again. But investors do something different. Investors plant financial seeds that grow while they sleep. Think about a farmer. A farmer does not eat all the seeds during harvest season. Instead, the farmer saves some seeds and plant them for the future. That is exactly what investing is. It is saving today so tomorrow can grow stronger. Why investing creates freedom. Freedom is not built overnight. Freedom is built through consistency, patience, and discipline. When you invest wisely, your money begins to generate income through interest, dividends, or appreciation. Slowly but powerfully, your investments begin replacing the need to work for every dollar. Imagine receiving income even when you are resting, traveling, learning, or spending time with loved ones. That is financial freedom, and financial freedom creates emotional freedom, mental freedom, and even creative freedom. When survival is no longer your only focus, you can start focusing on purpose. The cost of not investing. Many people delay investing because they think they need more money first. But here's the truth. Time is more powerful than money. Someone who invests a small amount early can often build more wealth than someone who invests a large amount later. This is because of compound growth, the process where your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. Every year you delay investing, you are not just losing money, you're losing time, and time is the most valuable resource in wealth building. Breaking the fear around investing. Let's be honest, many people are afraid of investing. They fear losing money, they fear making mistakes, they fear not understanding the system. But fear is natural whenever we step into something new. Remember when you first learned to walk? You fell many times, but you kept trying, and today you walk without thinking about it. Investing works the same way. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start learning and stay consistent. Mistakes are part of growth, but avoiding investing completely often becomes the biggest mistake of all. The power of long-term thinking. Freedom through investing is not about quick profits. It is about long-term commitment. The most successful investors in history did not rely on luck or shortcuts. They relied on patience. They understood that wealth grows slowly, then suddenly. Just like planting a tree, for years the growth happens underground where no one can see, but one day the tree becomes strong, tall, and impossible to ignore. Your investments grow the same way. Consistency beats intensity. You do not need to invest huge amounts. You need to invest regularly. Changing your mindset about money. To invest for freedom, you must change how you see money. Most people see money as something to spend. Wealth builders see money as a tool to create more opportunities. Instead of asking, what can I buy today? Start asking, what can this money become tomorrow? This small shift in thinking changes your entire financial future. The connection between investing and life purpose. Financial freedom is not just about retiring early or living luxuriously. It is about having the freedom to live with intention. Maybe your dream is to travel the world. Maybe your dream is to support your family. Maybe your dream is to start a business. Maybe your dream is to help your community. Investing gives you the power to choose those dreams without financial fear holding you back. Freedom is not about escaping work. Freedom is about choosing meaningful work. The discipline behind freedom. Many people want freedom, but few are willing to practice the discipline required to achieve it. Freedom today often requires sacrifice today. It means saving when others are spending. It means learning when others are ignoring. It means staying patient when others are chasing quick success. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Small steps that lead to big freedom. You do not need to be perfect to start investing. Start by learning basic financial knowledge, creating a habit of saving, investing consistently, thinking long-term, and avoiding emotional decisions. Remember, freedom is built through habits, not sudden events. The emotional reward of investing. One of the most beautiful rewards of investing is peace of mind, knowing that your future is growing, knowing that you are building security for yourself and your family, knowing that you are reducing financial stress. That peace is priceless. Money cannot buy happiness, but financial security can remove many sources of worry, allowing happiness to grow naturally. Investing is an act of self-respect. When you invest in your future, you're telling yourself something powerful. My future matters. You're showing responsibility. You're showing vision. You are showing belief in yourself. Investing is not just financial growth, it is personal growth. Your freedom journey starts now. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time to start investing. But there is no perfect time. There is only today. Today is the best day to begin building freedom. Today is the best day to plant your financial seeds. Today is the best day to take control of your future. Freedom is not given. Freedom is built. It is built through discipline, it is built through patience, it is built through wise financial decisions. Investing is not about becoming someone else, it is about becoming the person who is prepared for life's opportunities. Your future self is watching you right now, hoping you make decisions that create strength, stability, and freedom. Start small, stay consistent, stay patient. And one day you will wake up and realize you are not working because you have to, you are living because you choose to. That is the power of investing for freedom.